Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2014 Ford F550 we have for sale. It is a four-wheel drive, 6.7 power stroke diesel. It's got 97,000 miles on it. Has an IMT body with a IMT 5,000 pound crane and an IMT hydraulic air compressor. Truck has cloth interior, carpet, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, adjustable pedals. It's loaded up. It's an XLT truck. So and another thing I want to point out, the company we bought this truck from, the bed is a 2011, the truck's a 14, so there's a little difference there in the year between the truck and the bed. They had the bed moved over to the truck at some point, but I wanted to make whoever buys it aware of that. But let's walk around and take a look at it. Have a new car tech remote and a receiver for the crane. Crane up, down, tension out, tension in, side. crane charts, 20-foot crane, 5,000 pound max. Right over there. Yeah. 97,337 miles. On hours. 4844 engine hours. 2552 of those are idle hours. Radio.
Line is that if he dies up there,
Radio works, AC heat work like it should. All right, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. You can call or text that number again, 256-310-6852. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You're going to be looking around $1.50 to $1.75 a mile to have this truck shipped. Really depends on where you're located. But that's a pretty average figure to work off of. If you decide to go that route, just know that we're a dispatcher. So what we'll do is put this thing on our dispatch board and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama going to New York or California, Minnesota, wherever you're at, we want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out as soon as you pay. Normally you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it can take a little longer. Sometimes we get them picked up immediately. You know, I don't have a glass ball I can look into and say the exact second they're going to pull up and pick it up and the exact second they're going to pull up in your driveway. That's just unrealistic expectations that we can't meet. Although some people do expect that. And if you do, the only way to know that is to come pick it up yourself in person. You're welcome to do that. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We're not open on the weekends, and if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. Please do not show up with a regular check. I won't be able to see the truck. It has to be a certified bank check, wire transfer, or cash. Wire transfer preferred. Anyways, again, it's a 14 model F550 four-wheel drive 6.7 diesel. 97,000 miles, 11-foot IMT body, 5,000 pound IMT crane, hydraulic air compressor. It's got a new CarTech remote. Runs out and drives good. Very nice truck. You don't see them a lot in an XLT trim, so pretty nice. All right, thanks for watching. 256-310-6852. Call or text.